What is going on, you guys? Welcome back to another video and to the channel. So for this video, I'm going to be featuring another product that I'm going to be offering on my store. This product is going to be for the BMW E90X chassis, both LCI and Pre-LCI. So let me just show you guys here. So the product is going to be a set of LED sequential turn signals. Now, if you've been following my channel, I have LED sequential turn signals already on my BMW E93 series. But these are different. I would say these are better. As you can see, they're smoked also. But these have a different LED lighting sequence. I'll show you guys, obviously, once I install these on my 320i. But the ones I have on the car aren't really the best of quality. I think I just got them off Amazon for pretty cheap, but these look a lot better and a lot more high quality, and they should fit a lot better than the ones I have, because the ones I have on the car do not really fit well inside of the fender. They could easily just pop out. I'm honestly surprised that one of them hasn't just popped out of the fender, but I already kind of looked at these and test fitted these, but I just wanted to show you guys in a video here so you guys get a visual of the product and how it fits and how it works in terms of the lighting sequence. So these are going to be pretty easy to install, nothing too difficult here. And like I mentioned, these are the smoked LED side markers. I'm also going to be offering some clear lens side markers with the same exact LED lighting sequence. Just the only difference is that these are not smoked. So for those of you that may be more interested in this color here, this clear lens, I'll have these available also. But I'm going to be putting these on my car since I like the smoked look better, just based off how my car looks and just all the colors it has. I think smoked would look better than just the clear lens. So like I said, these will fit across all E90X 3 Series chassis models. So E91, E92, E93, and then both Pre-LCI and LCI, so all the years from like 2006 to 2013. So yeah, these will fit all of those. So yeah, I'm going to show you guys how these fit and how they look with the lighting sequence once they are connected. So I'm going to go ahead and take these out to my BMW 93 series so I can show you guys. So here's my E90, as most of you have seen, but if you're new here, this is my 320i. And these are the turn signals that I currently have on the car here. And like I said, they're okay. They're really cheap, but I'm gonna show you guys right here that these can easily just pop out like that. I barely even moved it and it was already falling out. So I'm honestly surprised that these never actually popped out like this, because it obviously won't fall off since it's connected right there. But yeah, they never popped out. But all you have to do is just that, and then it'll unclip, and then they can just fall out like that. But before I remove them, let me go ahead and show you guys how the lighting sequence is. So I'm gonna go ahead and lock the car. And that's what it looks like for these. But the new ones that I'm about to show you guys that I'm going to be having on my store are different, and I'll show you guys once I have those connected and installed. So yeah, I'm going to go ahead and remove this old side marker, and then I'll go ahead and install the new one. So here is the new side marker that I'm going to be offering on my store. The only issue that I do want to point out, just so you're not surprised when you try to install these, but like the opening, like the socket for the electrical connection is kind of small for the connection on the car, or at least my car, my specific model year and all that. But it does fit. It does connect all the way, it just doesn't go all the way down. I'll try to show you guys here. Let me zoom in. So at a certain point, it'll stop as you're trying to push it, together. And it won't go all the way enough to the point where it'll clip on. but it'll still work. So let me go ahead and unlock my car here. So as you guys can see, it works. It's fully connected and it's fully functional, despite the fact that it doesn't look like it's all the way clipped in, but it is. And it's not going to detach because it's like the socket is really small, so it really has a nice grab on the electrical connection, so it's not going to disconnect or anything, so you don't have to worry. So I don't really think it's an issue that it's not, you know, sliding in all the way onto the socket on the side marker, because it still works. I'll show you guys again. And you can see the difference from the old side marker that I just took off. I think this looks a little better. So to secure these onto the fender here, once you have it connected all the way as far as you can go, you're gonna want to like put it in like this, and then you're gonna want to push backwards toward the car, so that this piece in the front here, where my thumb is right there, there's like a little opening underneath, so that it'll hook on to this part of the fender, so that it'll go inside and then it'll just lock in place. So to do that, just put it in, and then like I said, push it backwards towards the back of the car, like that, and then it'll be able to go in and sit flush against the fender. Then just push it forward so that the little piece hooks on to the fender, and then now it's completely locked in place and it won't pop out or anything. As you can see, this one is a lot more secure than my old side marker that I just took off. Like before, like I just had to push this forward and it will just pop out, but this one is like really tight on there. This one isn't coming off. So this one overall is a lot better than the one I just removed. And that's it. That's how it fits on there. It's completely secured and connected, and you're finished pretty much installing these. So super easy to install, and I'll show you guys here. And then here's what it looks like connected now. You can see the lighting sequence is sequential and it's LED. And comparing it to the old side markers I just removed, it's a bit longer. It goes across the entire side marker, while the other one like only went from like right here to there, a very shorter sequence. So I put my hazards on so you guys can see the constant lighting sequence. Looks a lot better than the other ones. Here's it from far away. It is kind of light out, so it's not that bright, but you can see there it's pretty bright. Definitely looks a lot better than my old ones. So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and do the other side. I'll show you guys the I'm gonna install the clear lens side marker so you guys can see how that one looks, in case you guys are interested in that color. So comparing this new side marker that's gonna be on my store with the old one on the other side. And here's what the old side marker looked like that I still have on the passenger side. You can see the difference. And like I said, this thing like just easily pops out like that. That's all it takes. So I'm gonna go ahead and replace this one with a clear lens one. So you guys, those of you who are interested in this one, can see how this one looks on the car. Okay, so here is how the
clear lens side marker looks. Shot from farther away.
Look at the other side, which is smoked.
And here's the smoked one if you want to compare the two.
Alright, so there you have it, a nice visual of these LED sequential side markers. So like I said, these will fit across the entire E90X 3 Series chassis. They'll fit all the models, E91, E92, E93, and obviously E90, both Pre-LCI and LCI. And I believe these will also fit the 1 Series, so like the E82 and E88 and E87. As you guys can see, these look a lot better than the previous ones I had, and they fit a lot better. Just overall, better quality, better fitment, and better looks, in my opinion. So yeah, this is a pretty cheap and easy mod you could do to your E90 or E92, E91, E93. Because I do get a lot of questions, you know, asking like what's a good, you know, first cheap and easy mod to do to your E93 series. This is one of them. Very easy to install and not too expensive. But obviously if you go bigger on mods, the mods are going to get more expensive. So yeah, if you might be interested in these, like I said, I will be offering these on my store. And depending on when this video is posted, there may or may not be a link in the description. But regardless, go ahead and check down in the description for a link to these. If you are interested in getting a set of these. Like I said, I'll have both the smoked lens here and then the clear lens on the other side that I showed you guys. So I think that about covers everything for this product. If you have any comments or questions or anything, feel free to comment them down below as always. But if not, thank you guys for watching as always. Give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it, and subscribe for more videos where I feature more products that I'm going to be having available on my store, and a bunch of other mods on my F30 and my E90 if you are interested. But otherwise, I'll see you guys in the next video.